Budgeting and saving money effectively begins with a clear understanding of your financial situation. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a comprehensive view of where your money goes each month. Categorize your spending into essentials, such as housing and groceries, and non-essentials, like entertainment and dining out. Once you have a clear picture, create a realistic budget that allocates funds for each category. Prioritize essential expenses and set aside a portion for savings. A common approach is to treat savings like a bill. Automate transfers to your savings account as soon as you receive your income. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing quality of life. For instance, consider cooking at home more often or opting for generic brands instead of name brands. This conscious spending can lead to significant savings over time. Additionally, set specific savings goals, whether for an emergency fund, a vacation, or retirement. Having clear objectives can motivate you to stick to your budget. Regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in your financial situation or goals. This flexibility ensures that your budget remains a useful tool rather than a rigid structure. By following these strategies, you can create a budget that works for you and fosters a saving habit, ultimately leading to greater financial stability and peace of mind.